If you don't have CapCut template option in your CapCut, today in this video, I will show you how you can find the CapCut template and use. Most of the users outside India can find the template option in their CapCut application just like this. If you don't see this option in your CapCut, you have to go to Chrome or any web browser and search for CapCut template. Here, you will find capcuttemplates.co website. Just click on this website, and here you will find all the latest and trending CapCut templates that you need. Choose any CapCut template you want to use and click on it. And if you are from India, you have to first connect your VPN before using the template, otherwise it won't work. Now click on any template you want to use, and then click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your photos. After adding photos, click on Preview. Now check your video and then export.
I heard you got a new man, I see you taking a pic. Making me sick. I see you calling.
Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.